In this lecture, let me show you how to use wrapAll and wrapInner methods to wrap some content around the matching elements. These three methods actually come under DOM manipulation methods, that is to manipulate the DOM. So to illustrate this, I have already created a web page and added reference to the latest jQuery file. Now let me add three P elements, that is paragraph elements with text. First paragraph, let me copy this and change this to second paragraph and this to third paragraph. Okay, and let me also add a button with text click. Now let me show you the output. This is how first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph and button are getting displayed. Now let me style this paragraph a bit. P. Let me set a font size of 25px to see the text clearly. Then margin say 5px. Also a padding of 5px. Let me specify a width for this, that is 200px, and background color as silver. Now let me save this and show you. Okay, we need to increase the width. Let me make it as 300px and check. See, this is how it is now being displayed. I think the text size is too big. Let me change this to 25px and width to 200 itself. Now let me save this and show you. See, this is how the paragraphs are now being displayed. Next, what I want to do is that on the click of the button, I want to wrap some div element to the paragraphs. Okay, so we need to write document.ready part. So $document.ready function, open and close parenthesis, open and close curly braces. And here what I want to do, I want to wrap div elements for each paragraph. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select P elements and I'm going to use the method wrap, and I want to wrap div element. So div, with this it will be opened and closed, right? Now to see the change clearly, let me style the div elements a bit. So let me specify a width of say 300px, margin of say 10px, padding of say 5px, background color to be pink, and let me also specify a border of 1px solid black. Now let's see how it gets affected. So I have specified $P, which means that it will select all the P elements and I want to wrap them with div elements. Now I have written this just within document.ready. Actually, I want to see this when the button is clicked. So what I can do, I can specify $button.click, and here let me again add function, and within curly braces I need to write this, right? So let me cut this from here. Otherwise, as and when the page is loaded, we will see the change. I want to see the change clearly, that is after the button is clicked. Now let me save this and show you the output. Now I want to show you the element structure. So more tools, developer tools. And now the elements are like P first paragraph, P second paragraph, P third paragraph and button. Now let me click the button. Now as you could see here, a div element is wrapped around each P element. This is a P element and you could see the div element for which we have specified the styles like background color pink, border, width 300, etc. That is why this one is. So each P element is now having a div element wrapper, right? This one is having a div element wrapped around the P element. Again, P element is wrapped with a div element. So when we specify wrap method, it wraps this specified content around each matching P element. That is a speciality of wrap method. We are seeing div element for all the three paragraphs. Now instead of this, suppose I specify wrap all. Now what will be the change? There will be just one wrapper around all the matching P elements together. Let me show you that. Let me save this. Let me click the button. See, all the three paragraphs are within a single div element. As you could see here, all the three paragraphs are wrapped with a single div element. Previously it was like we had 3 div elements for each paragraph, but when we specify wrap all, what happens? For all the 3 paragraphs together, we have only one div element wrapped. Okay, hope you understand the difference. And now we have one more, that is wrapInner, which will wrap around the content. Okay, so let me specify wrapInner. Let me click. See, now the wrapper is just around the content. So actually this div element is now within the paragraph. As you could see here, P, then div, then the content. Previously, for just wrap, it was like div, then P, then first paragraph. But now this first paragraph is wrapped with div element, not the whole P. So that is the difference between wrap, wrap all and wrapInner. When we specify just wrap, this will be wrapped around each matching element separately. Then when we specify wrap all, this will be wrapped around all the matching elements together. That is, there will be just one wrapper around all the matching P elements. And when we specify wrapInner, this is wrapped around the content, not the element. So here there are 3 div elements as we have seen in wrap, but here it is wrapped around the text, that is the content of the paragraph. And when we specify just wrap, it was around the P element itself. See, around the P element we are seeing a div. So this can be used if we want to wrap the existing elements with some new content. The content can be actually HTML elements, DOM elements, and even jQuery objects. So these 3 methods, that is wrap, wrap all and wrapInner, come as DOM manipulation methods because we are actually manipulating the DOM using these 3 methods.